Why are we doing this again?
This is part 2
Suck my dick.
of the Guess That Engine Sound.
That's probably like the last
It's
one.
probably gonna be his car.
Round number 4.
So 4.
Oh, this is 5.
Alright.
Oh, 5.
We're halfway there, guys.
Buddy can't even count to 5 in Spanish.
The taps. I gotta count.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
What in the fuck?
That's a JDM car?
That's a JDM car.
Sounds...
Dude, I'm losing this. I'm done.
Number 2.
Give me a DNF.
Oh boy.
One more time.
Last time, listen carefully.
Oh, it could be many.
That rattle at the end is just throwing me off.
Any car.
I don't know what it is.
Right.
Okay, I'm locked in. Well, not quite. Wait, was that all 3?
I'll
That
lock
was
in.
all 3.
Okay. I'll lock in then.
Jesus Christ. This is another shot in the dark. I'm just really not doing so hot in this
Can you
one.
play one?
No.
Nope.
3.
That was
Hold on. I'm second guessing myself now.
I know what that could be, but there's no way there's a video of that on YouTube.
I'll be thoroughly disappointed if none of you get this.
Really?
None of
Really? Is this like a decently easy one?
It doesn't sound like what it should sound like. Hopefully I'm not giving too many hints.
No, I don't think
It
that's...
sounds close. Like, if you listen carefully, you can hear it.
Alright, let's do this.
Fuck?
Let's do this.
It doesn't.
I'll play it one more time.
Yeah, one more time. One more time.
One more time, that's it.
Look
I'm
us
being
up.
nice here.
Look us up.
You gotta listen very carefully. Well, listen too, so you can see what I'm talking about.
Yep. Kinda, sorta.
I don't know what this motor's supposed to sound like, but I'm just
Yeah.
shot in the dark here.
Yeah, I'm just gonna throw up whatever because I have no idea. Dad?
I'm just eliminating like what I don't think it is, basically.
I know I'm completely wrong.
I know what it
because-
sounds like, but it's probably wrong.
Put it down anyways.
It's
Like,
gonna be wrong.
you're in first place. There's nothing you can do right now. I literally have 0 points. So like, no, sorry, I literally have 1 point. You have like what, 7, 8, whatever it is. Like even if you're wrong, like the chances of me being right are very slim right now.
Watch Steven Nolan come back. You gotta remember, this is the halfway
I
point.
highly doubt it, dude.
Anything
I
could
am
happen.
Yeah, no, if me and Brandon...
What I have put down right
try
now-
not look at your shit.
like if this is actually in this thing, I will be shocked. If this motor specifically that you have thought of, like
Everybody ready?
Sure.
Sure. 3,
I don't even know if this is
2.
right.
I think I'm very off.
All of you are wrong, but everybody except for Brandon get a point.
What was it?
What?
1GC FE.
GC.
Oh.
Yoda V12.
That
it's
did
a
not
what?
sound like the V12. What
Oh,
the
I
What
put
kind
a...
of headers did that
Okay,
thing
wait,
have on
can-
it?
No
I-
balance pipe.
Oh my god.
I confirm that a 1UZ has a dash FE in it. Is it dash FE? Yeah, okay, that's
Yeah,
I put the
1UZ
dash. That's all I
dash
did.
FE.
I just put the dash when I changed it.
What did you put?
What kind of headers did that thing have? I put a
I knew Brandon would be so mad.
I was really hoping that Brandon
I
had a
don't know
when
when
you
you
got it.
FE.
Oh, I put 7
Yeah.
out.
At one point
You put a 7 out? I
Yeah.
said 1
7
UC.
out. That's what I thought.
Okay. Next video.
Number 6, right?
Number 6.
Wait, how many points did we get for that one?
1.
Everybody got 1 except for that.
So Travis is officially in the lead.
See, that's really hard
Yeah, I can
because
barely hear
it's echoing and
Yeah.
like it's very hard to hear.
Let me see. It's a bit of a long clip, so let me see if I can find a slightly
Like
different spot.
or just Google another version of this motor where it's not in a tunnel because the echo is very hard.
Same video, just different spot in the
spot.
video.
Oh.
So I'll play this 3 times.
Whoa!
Sounds good.
What?
What?
One more time.
I think I got this one.
What the f has that aggressive.
Oh.
How like is this a very modified motor from what
I
you
think
can
it's decently
tell?
modified.
Oh,
Okay.
whatever that is very modified. I
Well, I was
Yeah,
gonna
that's
say
very modified.
confirmed.
It's okay. They were modified once in the other.
yeah, no, absolutely.
Okay.
Okay, let me see.
I think I got part of this right for sure.
Wait, we get one more, right?
You guys get one more.
Okay, I'm gonna need it.
Everybody reel in 3,
Sure.
2, 1. And Brandon gets 2 points.
Nice.
What?
What was it?
VR38 ETP.
Travis gets 1 point.
I was gonna put.
Brandon, you didn't have Nissan.
That's
A 38? It's a
That's a
3.8?
GTR?
Yeah.
That's a GTR.
That's a
Well,
GTR
it's
motor.
a motor in a Sylvia.
Oh, was it?
It was an
Oh, man,
S15.
there's no such
Oh, that's
thing.
cool.
Really?
I was-
I thought it was
in a what?
What is it?
It's a.
I'll show you guys the video.
No.
after.
I want to see that.
Yeah, it's pretty
What?
I was fully gonna put VR. I started writing VR3 and I was like, wait,
It's a pretty.
I didn't really hear the turbo,
I
so.
almost put VQ37 VHR.
Number 7. Siete. I'm like Dora.
Dora the Explorer.
Alright.
Holy fuck.
Here you go.
Oh boy.
Whoa.
Fuck.
That's it?
I think it has a turbo, you guys.
No, I think that's just someone going.
I don't know.
Oh.
I have no idea.
Oh no.
One more time.
All right.
So many things. Holy
I'm I have zero idea.
Really?
Zero idea.
I know what this
Is
is.
it diesel or something?
No, it's something with no exhaust on it.
Yeah, no, it's fully like
I know what it is.
open turbo.
Wait, what do you
Arthur,
do?
we're ready.
Okay. Reel in
Are
3,
you ready?
Yep.
Okay.
2, 1. And Travis and Brandon get 2 points.
Yes!
No points for.
What was it?
It was a
Wait,
Toyota
Brandon,
1JZ.
What?
It's my motor.
Brandon.
I said a
Okay,
DT.
you know what?
I said a
You know how I got
VQ32.
this? Because the last time
Wow.
when I played that 1J, you said that's way too clean for a 1J. I
Yeah.
had 2J down. I was like, wait, the rat.
was the dirtiest.
That is a rat. That is a fucking
disgusting.
1J.
That's
That
a
was
disgusting.
Pretty much like a tiny. Okay,
Oh, sorry.
here we go.
Sakes.
The first one.
What the fuck? Me too.
Are you guys ready?
What was I even doing there?
What the fuck? Even
All you did was like pinch my knee. All right, let's go.
Oh, shit. Oh, fuck.
Oh my god.
I think I've seen this video. I think.
Maybe. Number 2.
Yeah. I know. I think I know what this is.
Let me see there.
If you played
One more
it
time.
any further, I think I would have known exactly what it is.
And one more time.
I've got no idea again.
It's a bit of a tricky one, actually.
Is it? Oh my god. How modified is this?
It's not that modified, actually.
Okay.
I don't know that noise.
Just leave her and she'll come up to you.
If I get this wrong, I'm gonna be kind of upset.
I think I got this wrong, but it also sounds very familiar.
I think.
Is this familiar sound?
Shut up,
But it
Travis.
might not be what you think it is.
I think we're all locked in, Arthur.
No, I haven't even written anything.
Oh, never mind.
3, 2, 1.
If it's the video I'm thinking of.
Steven gets it right.
What?
2 points for Steven.
What was it?
That's what I'm talking about. We're back.
1 point for Dad, 1 point for Travis.
What was
What?
it?
None for me.
What did you put? Which
What
one?
was it?
SR20.
Nah, CA. CA. Oh, I'm sitting there. I'm like, that sounds.
It was there. You didn't
It
hear
wasn't
the
a
turbo.
CA.
Did you not hear the turbo? Play it again.
I thought
There's
they were
a,
all NA.
no, there's a
No,
turbo. There's a turbo.
C-A-T-D-E-T.
Oh my
They
god.
only came.
They only came turbo.
What's up?
I'm f***ed.
Okay.
So the two guys that ate Bobby wings yesterday are most likely gonna have to eat Bobby wings.
Yeah.
Don't
Win
jinx it.
imminent.
I'll totally jinx myself.
I low-key want Steven to lose still.
Enemy by the buses.
What boss?
Here we go.
Wow.
What the f- is that?
Oh my god.
Do you know what that is?
No. I have an idea.
Really?
Yeah. Number 2.
Sounds like okay.
Okay, if I don't get the first part of this right, I'll be upset with myself.
Wait, we get one more, right?
One more, guys.
Okay, I need to listen.
Are you guys ready?
But you didn't even start from the beginning. I want to hear the start sound again.
Yeah.
You're getting all red in the face,
Yeah,
man.
I'm mad.
Dude, you should have seen
the.
the first video. He's like screaming.
Hey,
Screaming.
is there such thing as a KA24DE-T from factory?
Okay, so to give you kind of a breakdown.
No, he can watch the video.
Yeah, you're gonna watch the video. You're gonna watch the video.
Is there not?
He is thinking.
No.
We're
Exactly.
standing there, and he's like, "Do I put what the motor is now?" And we're like, "Yes." And it was
No, I
Damien's
asked him
car.
like 3 times.
Yeah, and I said yes.
He's
and
like,
then I
"Yes,
said
yes." What it is
I said
now?
what it was
He puts
turned into.
VK24DE.
No, I
We're like,
didn't.
"Yeah, you did."
No.
Oh, sorry,
I said-
KA. Sorry.
I said.
Okay, I'm
write
ready.
down
Who's
what it was
ready?
turned- I have nothing written down.
Okay, well,
I fully forgot what it sounded.
hurry up because I want to see if Rose is eating this Bobby wing. I'd like to be safe for now.
Everybody showing 3, 2, 1.
Oh, just give me the
And
manufacturer.
you got manufacturer.
Yes.
Brandon gets 2 points.
Nice.
Nobody else got a point.
What was it?
What was it?
One user.
1 UC.
I wrote down
I knew it
3
was
UC.
V8.
Wow.
I just put it
I
in
Remember if
Nissan.
it
Way
was
off.
G or FE? I was like,
I'm not
It's
allowed
FE.
to like cars anymore.
thank God.
That was
Brandon, I was truly hoping you got that
What'd you
one.
put?
huh? Dude, my first yeah, I said it was a 4G60.
You were thinking like a.
I know that
motor,
start
right?
Yeah.
sound.
I
everywhere.
was trying to think.
Did you not hear the V8 when it started up?
Okay.
One more, guys. Are you guys ready?
Yeah, ready.
Who's gonna win? Who's gonna lose? Who's gonna
I
eat
don't
the
even
Bobby
care
Well,
if
I
I
mean,
win. I
it's
just
Rose.
don't want to lose.
Well, at this point, I'm going to lose.
Here we go. You don't know
You said
that?
that last
fine.
time when you were North or Worth.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. And then
And then you got cucked.
Cut.
You don't know. Here we go.
Driver coin.
Oh,
Okay.
I know that starter sound. I think.
Manufacturer. Oh, what is it?
Oh wait.
I forget. Shut up. Stop talking.
One more time.
I'll go back to the refs.
No, do the startup again. You did the startup the first time. You have to do it again. Alright.
So the camera totally didn't stop recording on the last one. So I'll play it for you guys one time only because this
Fuck
is,
off! You guys can't write the right answer now.
no,
We
no.
already know.
I rewrote the same answer.
Okay.
That's all you get.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Let's see your answers.
I know it's an NASR.
And only one that got it right is Travis. Rose gets 1 point.
Yeah.
What did you
Marking
actually
the
put?
end of the second
24G.
round.
So yeah, as soon as I heard the starter noise, it's like, hey, that is a Nissan, like an NA Nissan older
Because I thought
motor
it was a
starter.
PSX.
And then there was no
I thought it was a
turbo,
Subaru.
and I was like, he did the 24DE already. He's not going to do the. Or he did the E.
I
He's
didn't
not
do
gonna
the E.
No, you did an E.
No, he did a DET. That's
No,
what,
No, I did an E.
He did K24E single slammer.
Oh yeah, right.
And then I was like, he's not going to do that again. He'll put an NASR. Boom.
See, I thought the same thing. That's why I went for the double overhead count one.
Okay, go up there.
No, I'll
Because the last one was last one was.
Is this still recording?
Go first to last again.
Yeah.
First to last.
Right.
Brandon.
And
The battery's dying.
first place with 14 points was Travis.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Second place with 13 was Dad.
Oh.
Third place.
How?
Okay,
what?
so-
What was the difference between third and fourth?
So
Oh.
5 and 4.
5 and 4.
It was a 1 point difference.
Yeah,
for me.
I have this one.
Steven got 5.
No!
Rose, you know what's the sad part? In the one that if you only wrote Nissan, you would have
yeah.
done. You forgot.
Instead of just writing VQ, you should have wrote Nissan too.
Yeah, I was in a rush.
But you know, hindsight's 2020. So
Did you put VQ?
no, not that one. No,
no.
one in the back.
In one of the early ones, he only wrote VQ something
Oh.
when he didn't write Nissan, so he could have gone on the manufacturer point.
Wow.
I won.
See ya, boy.
Wow.
So Rose will be
man.
coming with me to eat a Bobby Wing once again.
Wow.
I just wanted to watch you eat the Bobby Wing again. That was
Yeah,
pretty
yeah, you eating Bobby.
It's not exciting.
I'm
when
having
I
a
do
bite,
it, 'cause
that's
Let's make them.
Thanks.
I
just
say we
not-
send it one more round for a third.
Just have a third.
Third time's a charm.
Yeah.
Captain Toilet.
Okay, we're done. Bye. Just kidding. So yeah, Steven almost had the Bobby Wing. Very close. It's
I was
probably
not confident on
terrible.
the call. That was
I
terrible.
told you guys it was gonna be a good one but a tough one.
I really want to do one of these for you guys and just destroy every single one of you.
Yeah. Okay, this is the
It's just gonna
end
be
of the
American
video.
cars.
So
I would love to do American.
we're
Cars.
probably
I don't
gonna do
know
another
any.
challenge. I don't know if we're filming it today. So there will be 3 challenges. There will be another part to this, and then those 3 people will eat the Bobby Wing, and that'll be another
Can
video.
we actually do an American version of this?
No.
I think we need to do a part 3 of JDM just to make it fair. Because they lost on JDMs, so
Is this gonna be 3 videos? So
Yes.
for 3 weeks
3
you're gonna
separate
have
videos.
this?
Yes.
Wow.
Okay. Thanks for watching.
See you in the next one.
I should probably do this probably. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And
You're fired. You need to get a
Fired.
different outro.
Yeah, shut
This
up,
outro
Travis.
is terrible. You think these people enjoy listening to your ass?
Peace.
Knows my head don't feel much back.